Yo guys, thanks for joining the song.
Okay,
This song is all about the mirrors.
I'm for you, man.
Let's take it now.
Yes.
With everything happening today, you don't know whether you're coming or going, but you think that you're on your way. Laugh line up on the mirrors, don't blow it. Move, move. You look at me when I'm talking to you.
Talking to you.
You look
You
at me when I'm
looking
looking
to you.
I see the
See
blood
love in
in
your
your eyes.
eyes.
I see the
See the love in the sky. I see the pain in every pride.
I see you're
I
not
see the
satisfied. And I see nobody else. I see myself, I'm not looking at this.
Mirror on the wall. Here we are again. Summer was and fall. Making my only friend. It's time we got the game. Understand my eyes. Oh, yeah. Something we got to get.
You see the truth in your life. I see nobody by your side. But I
When
was with
we
you when
went
I'm wrong.
wrong,
And you
and you
correct me
correct
when
me.
I'm looking wrong. I see that guilt beneath the shame. I see your soul through your window pane. I see the scars that remain. I see you, she's you. I'm looking at thee.
Here on the wall, here we are again. Summer was and fall. They gave my only friend. It's time we got the game. Understand my eyes. Whoa, yeah. Stop it to the gun to get.
Looking at me now, I can see the best. Damn, I just look
Like a fucking dead. Like it up like
Look
tomorrow.
at the mirrors.
I'm in like golden tomorrow.
The mirrors.
I see my mind is blood message.
Blessing.
I see no
I
vindication.
see the message. And no
In
message to
Western
the man.
Portugal.
So I'm not standing with the man and thee.
Mirror on the
And you
wall.
told me that, right?
Here we are again.
Yeah, here we are.
Summer was and fall.
You be my
Making my
only friend. Yes.
only
Take them to
friend.
the Mars, man.
It's all we got the game. Understand my eyes. So you. Starting at the start to get in.
Woo!
Mirror on the wall. Woo!
Here we are again.
Someone was it, friend? Uh-huh.
You be my only friend.
Yeah.
You told me that they can't understand the man I am.
So we. So to the gun to get me on the wall. ABP.
Baby, looks like I did take
Yeah,
them
good
to
morning,
Mars, right?
Mr. Stein.
This time, yes.
Yes.
Now we're talking about Shizio. Yes, I'm the Shizio.
Little whiny problem, man.
So why are we talking to each other again? Yes. Peace out. Thanks, guys.